So I got this new brushless RC car, and I had no idea they came as far as they've come now. This thing is incredible. Who knew these things were so fast? Alright, let's get to the video. Everybody, welcome back to the Dirtywaterracing channel. As promised, we're going to do a video on the shop lights that we are doing in the garage slash shop slash shed build, whatever you want to call it. Not really an unboxing. I already got it unboxed, but I'll link it down at the bottom. I got these on Amazon. They're Barrina, however you want to pronounce it, shop lights. I ordered a pack of 12. You can order them in 4, 6, 8, 12, whatever you want. So I ordered 12 because I used 10 on that side of the garage. I'm going to use 12 on this side of the garage. First thing is off, when you open the package, it'll have all these wires. It comes with a separate set of on-off switch with the 110 plugs, so you can run the lights completely individually, each light. See? So you can hardwire them into your 120 volt source. You can use 120 volts. Comes with however many lights you have. Each individually packages of hangers and joiners or jumpers, which the lights clip right into. And then these are linkable, so you can link, I think it's up to 6 or 8. I'll probably correct it in the video, but 6 to 8 you can link together. And you use these jumpers. So these jumpers go in between each light if you want to link them all together. A 12 pack, it comes in a box like this, and then it has 6 individual lights. So this is one individual LED light. Can't remember what the brightness is. I remember it was just like a daytime brightness, but like I said, if you see on the end there, that's where you would put the plug or a jumper. So you can take the jumper, put it in the end of here, stick the lights together, and then figure out where you want to put the lights and put them right up in the ceiling. If you can see over here, I did this side already just to get an idea of what I needed to do for this side. So I know I'm not taking forever to do it on this side. And see, I threw some, this is how easy they are to do. I just threw these up just for some better lighting in this area because that regular light stinks. But I just went ahead and literally just tossed these things up and put them in place and then used it for just temporary lighting. For my sailing, as I'm sure anybody else is sailing, I got these anchors, these drywall anchors, and it comes with an anchor that you drill into the drywall, and then it comes with a screw so you can secure whatever you're securing to the drywall. If you can see right here, there's a bracket there. I try to do 2 per light. Bracket there, and bracket there. We'll go ahead and we'll start getting them up. So what I'm going to do right now is, because the hangers for the garage door tracks, they come in, so I'm going to see how far it is between the two of them, and if that will be enough to run them down the ends, and it'll come to the sides of this. Another trick you can do is take something like a long piece of wood, or like the box of cardboard, and go ahead and mark it at the 4 feet mark from one edge to 4 feet, and then you can use this to get your measurements going down the side. You could even do the inset measurement coming out from the wall, get that measurement, put it up to the wall, make your mark, and then go from there. So for the anchors, what I like to do is just kind of get the hole started with the bit, and then go ahead and run the anchor up into the ceiling. Getting these secured to the anchors like that. Screw up through. Put on the anchors. Alright, we got all the hangers hung. Now we're going to go ahead and get each individual panel put up and then show you how we join them together. There's a jumper in there. You go ahead and you slide the two together, and then that's joined. So what I'm going to go do is go ahead and put jumpers in the end of one of each and start joining them all together. Now we got them all joined. A little crooked. No big deal. You can go back later and fix them if you want. We'll leave them the way they are now, and then we'll go ahead and get them hooked up and make sure they're all functioning. Unfortunately, we ran out of the drywall anchors because I used most of them for that side, which that's pretty impressive that it did all of that side and half of this side. So we'll go ahead, we'll get some more anchors, and then we'll get the rest of this up. So I'm back. It's been like a week, a solid week since I started putting these lights up. Needed some anchors, got some anchors and screws, and we're gonna finish getting these lights up. Like a smart guy that I am, went ahead and I got this laser level depot, and it was on clearance from $169 to $69. So I went ahead and picked one of those up because it'll make it pretty easy on getting the lines. So I just need to know how far out I am so I can line the laser on it and then just shoot the lights up from there. So let's finish getting these lights up. You obviously can't fit a full length light there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the light and I'm going to run it diagonal. Kind of see, it's going to be a little more aggressive than that. Alright, so I wasn't really sure how I wanted to do this. I wanted to use the extra lights somehow, so what I did was I ended up putting the extra lights right here in the middle of this area, since this area is where the engine bay is going to be. So I figured why not some more light, and that'll be a perfect spot. Attach this light to the end of the loop from the end, and then we attach this light to the beginning of the loop. And then what we're going to do is take this line and go straight and hardwire it straight into where that light is. And then we'll put it on the motion detector circuit. And we also got to get all the wires cleaned up. We're going to shorten them. Corners down there. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's all done. Couple unconnected over there in the corner. But that's it. We just gotta tidy up some of the wires and stuff like that in these corners. And then these bridge connectors. And then that's it. Like I said, in the description, there'll be a link to the Barrina lights, shop lights. I'll do a link to the 6-pack and 12-pack. I'll also link I didn't do it on this side, but I'll link these cable hiders. See, this guy came in and staples everywhere from the ADT company. But I'll link all the cable concealers parts. I'll link the anchors for the sheetrock. If you guys have any questions on what I use for something, or how I did something, or the process of doing things, just comment below and let me know what you think or what you have for questions, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. But other than that, it's done.